and marks also not required. But I want marks I want science stream because we have to choose our why in two ways. First, you become IS officer. If you not become that, so take that another road. Another road is okay for you. These my two goals: businessman, IS officer. If I can't become IS officer, so my second road is there. I become a businessman. That's why I take that science and I will give my best. Marks for just not. See, rank not matter. No one see your rank while leaving this class. Every people see your improvement. What you improve? See, you sit and directly go to home and directly ask to mother what you make for food. I'm very interesting to eat. So that means don't like this. Come to your work. What you remain? What sort else? Do that. Then I didn't say that you do practice only that what I'm doing that A plus category. At least you practice every day for 5 minutes to 10 minutes only. It will change your life only. It will change that you learn that language very confidently. And why? When you know why, so you can definitely achieve your goal. What? You can definitely achieve your goal if we correct this why. So this way, why is very important, and I explain this why how to find out why two ways there. First, first this goal and this goal. If you can't do this. But don't leave. But don't cry. But don't people abuse you. But don't then take that. Give up. We always give up. Never give up. Just do. You will get that benefit of that word. At least some, but you will get. Do that first, can definitely you do. So I explained this. How many students know their why now? Okay, so I think that I explained very well that. So it is very good thing. So you become that means first now you go listen this motivation section and do your that Wednesday what available. What did I learn today? So do that. How what I tell. So do that in tell that in video and can definitely do your find out your why now, not in future. Because if you want to find out your why in future, you will never achieve your goal. Because this is the right time. This is the right place to learn English, and this is the right place to find your goal. Right time it is. Don't take that watching mobile or that TV only. Do your why first. That only 80-20 we have to do. Do 20% work, get 80% benefit of that. So it is very nice. And transformation. My transformation is I speak here. You see my that transformation and can definitely use that. When I was in silver badge, I was only you like this. But I tried. I understood my why. That this I explain no. This I mean this explain with sir. So I teach that and definitely means I do that and it will change my life and I will do in future also. Not stop that and at least transformation. I improve my transformation. I improve my English. Fifth standard I was not able to speak English, but now I do activities and I am able to speak English. Thank you for listening my. मंजिल तो मिलती है घूमते घूमते ही सही. मंजिल तो मिलती है घूमते घूमते ही सही. घूम रहा तो वो है जो घर से निकले ही नहीं. Inspiration. Actually, what happened that my condition inspired me to learning. That when I was in fifth standard, so there at least that teacher told me to stand up, just stand up and I am fearing what teacher told me. Teacher will give me punishment or what? So that on that time only teacher told to read this paragraph in 10 minutes. So my leg was this fearing. I am fearing so much because I don't know English, and I think that when I am not able to speak, so teacher will give me nice slap. I know that when I know this, so that on that time only principal ma'am. So my fear, double fear, then double. So that means this condition inspired me to learn English, and I joined this class and do activities. You also do activities and come in gold batch. See, in your class, how many students speak English? Please raise hand. Only 2%. That if you go in main course, gold batch, each and every student speak in English. Not a single student speak in Marathi. When a single student speak in Marathi, all students see their student. And can their student also speak English? So this is also environment, and this condition inspired me to learn. So tell them, what is your biggest achievement? Biggest achievement. See, now I am able to speak English. I am now able to give answer. But till now, I make some grammatical mistakes also. In this bit also I don't think that. I make that. See, failure is the first step of success. First you fail, then you become, then you achieve your goal. So that means I'll do some mistakes. Do that mistake, but don't continue that mistake in future. Do there, learn there, and can definitely apply on that. Don't do that mistake in future. Learn at the time and then apply on future. So this is why did you decide to become an IAS officer? Actually, it is my mother's goal that I want to be an IAS officer. That for that I will struggle. I will give my best. Not some students what they do their board exam. Okay, just example. Don't take it negative. Their board exam, and the student what 90%, about 90%. And what happens suddenly? The exam is on 11 a.m. and the student wake 10 a.m. What happened? Exam before 1 hour. How you achieve that goal? So that how you achieve your vision there? How you get above 90%? So for that, I do like this only. My exam is there. My exam is only at 8 or 8:30. So I wake up in 5 a.m. and I do some meditation or that, and I will start my journey to do study. And I definitely I give this teacher give me good marks because I write paper. Student always see. Student always say to God, please give me good marks. Please give me good marks. What God give? God write paper. God written paper or you written? You written, no? So that what you struggle, that you get. And if you not struggle, how you get? So like this means my goal is there to become that, and definitely I will focus on that. I clear my mind. I will do that process, and definitely I will be.